Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you new Aurora weather in Fish It game of Roblox latest update. Okay, let's get into it guys. Based on the update log, there is new Aurora weather event. This new weather event brings new fish and a brand new mutation. So basically guys, if this event comes to the game, you need to immediately do fishing and you will have chance to get the Aurora fish. Okay, now I'm fishing in the Sisyphus statue and I hope that I can get the Aurora mutation or the Aurora fish. But I think for the Aurora mutation it will be a little bit difficult. So yeah, I'm looking for the Aurora fish. Okay guys, I've just catched the big Aurora fish and I'm going to show you all of the Aurora fish I've catched during the event. Okay, this one, big Aurora starfish and big Aurora grouper and the big Aurora narwhal. Okay, so just do fishing if this event comes to the game. And you will also have chance to get the Aurora mutation. Okay guys, and that's all about the new Aurora weather in Fish It game of Roblox. Hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and bye!